Hello guys, so today I will show you how to check the temperature log on a Starcool integrated unit. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is just press the range button. Okay, and then select the data log view by pressing enter. Right, then again enter for text temperature. And this is the actual log. Okay, so it's 14th of April, and just navigate using the up and down arrows. So that's how you check the log on a Starcool unit. Alright, to return just press X until the main menu. Right, so that's about it. Thank you for watching.